Okay, I have been feeling much better last couple of months. And yesterday I went through the little notes I put on my under my avatar,
Good.
and I saw that a lot of them didn't come through yet. I put them there like months ago when I
Yeah.
joined the Alignment Academy.
Yeah.
And so I was wondering, do I like have to reactivate them?
You just stay off the topic and just keep seeking out pleasure, right? Really, something I've been reminding a lot of people of lately is, the old approach to law of attraction was trying to use it to manifest the things to make us happy, right?
Right.
To manifest this, that, and the other thing.
Mhm.
And the approach we take in the collective and the approach that's going to lead to much quicker positive changes in your reality manifestation is
Mhm.
making the new paradigm your focus, right?
Definitely.
Is
Yeah.
working on enjoying your reality so much, being so happy, experiencing so much pleasure that you stop caring about manifestations.
Yeah.
And that's when they'll start to show up. So with those things you put on under your avatar, they're perfect the way they are. There's
Okay.
nothing you need to revisit. Just keep being you, keep working on you, keep doing the processes you've been doing, and you're well on your way.
All right, because I'm manifesting a puppy for us, a
Good.
little dog. Yeah, because they're just awesome. Um, so I have been following my impulses and reaching out to people who breed them,
Yeah.
the breed I would like. So there was this dog who was like perfect for us. He was put up for adoption.
Yeah.
And we were willing to take him in. Well, it's not has to be a puppy. He was like 7 months old,
Yeah.
and he was all the things I saw in this dog. So I sent an email. I didn't care about the outcome. I was really excited about him. I chose this little doggy. He was perfect fit for us. But now he went to another place. He went to another family. And I know there's no such thing as screwing up. I know I didn't do anything wrong.
Yeah.
It's just I didn't really understand what happened there.
So I would say it's about the road to the manifestation just isn't over yet,
Okay.
right? Maybe there's a better dog out there that's a better fit for you. Maybe the
Mm-hmm.
timing wasn't perfect for you. Maybe something else is going to come along that where you're going to realize, oh, of course it was meant to happen this other way,
Sure. Yeah,
right?
sure thing.
So our inner being sees the whole picture around everything,
Uh-huh.
but we don't.
Yeah, that's true. I know. Okay, so still on the right track here as well. So it was this like to show me this dog exists,
Yeah.
because everywhere I get like, no, we don't have puppies at the moment. No, next year maybe. No, there's a long waiting list. No, 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 no. And then there was him, and I was like, oh, that's it.
Yeah, and
There he is.
see it as a sign that you're getting closer, right? So
All right, sure.
when people experience contrast or something doesn't manifest, people often think, "Oh, I screwed up. My inner being let me down. I didn't do the
Yeah,
right thing. I followed the wrong impulse." That's never the case because it's not the path of no resistance. It's the path of least resistance.
yeah.
And physical reality is always feeding us the experiences we need for our
Mhm.
own growth and expansion and to help us make the vibrational shifts to let those things that we want in.
Right.
So
Sure.
your inner being orchestrated um, that experience for a reason for you, for your growth, right?
Okay.
So it might
Yeah.
be about asking, okay, so what did this experience teach me about me, right? So self-reflect on the experience. Don't see it as screwing up. Just see
Mhm.
it as the journey is not over yet. The dog is still on its way. There's
Yeah.
nothing left for me to do. And I can
Right.
almost guarantee that the minute you take a step back and just stop looking for it and
Yeah.
just accept it's going to show up when it's going to show up, the
Yeah.
perfect dog is going to find you.
Yeah, I'm so looking forward to it. But
Good.
just I'm coping with the desire, because we used to have these doggies when I lived with my parents,
Yeah.
and I just long for one. You know, they're just so nice. So that maybe has a part in this too. I'm maybe a little overly excited. I don't know. I'm trying to force it. I don't know. It's just
Maybe if you knew the absolute perfect dog for you wasn't born yet, but it was going to be born in 4 months down the road,
Mhm.
how would that feel?
Great.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. So expect that there's already a spirit dog somewhere that knows that you're their owner, and
Yeah.
they're just waiting for their opportunity to show up, and there's nothing you need to do.
Oh, I like that. I really like that.
We
Yeah.
got a we have had a cat here, I think now for like three or 4 months, and
Uh-huh.
Nick wanted one for years.
Uh-huh.
It just the impulse, the timing, it wasn't perfect, and all of a sudden it just kind of the impulse showed up, and within a week we had it, and it was a rare breed 2 hours away, and she's the most perfect cat for us. She's so calm, she's so chill. Like when they say like an animal is like their owners, like
Uh-huh.
she's so in her environment here. So this
Oh,
thing's going to happen for you. You just need to give it the right amount of time.
I will. I will. Thank you. I will keep that in mind. It's a good story of your cat.
Awesome.
I'll think of your
Awesome.
cat.
Awesome. Thank you so much for playing.
Thank you, Nick.
And
Really,
you'll,
really. Thank you
and you'll
very
keep
much.
me up to date with how you make out over the next couple of weeks.
Yes, I will. And I will start doing my lists as well. It feels good.
Awesome. Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank
Awesome
you.
sauce. Thank
All
you so
right.
much.
Have a
All
good
right.
night.
You
Bye.
too. Bye bye.